All right. I found these blueberry flavored, blueberry muffin flavored Kit Kats, if you can believe that. So I was going to give these a try, and I've been avoiding this because it just doesn't seem like that would be something I would enjoy. But let's give it a try. These were like regular price. They were at Walmart, and I keep looking at them. Oh, it's a weird color. Kit Kat should not be that color. That just looks like a Kit Kat that's gone bad or something. That's like the color somebody looks like before they're admitted to a hospital. Oh, it smells weird too. Smells like ice cream. Kind of weird. Got like a ice cream smell. That's weird. All right, see what it's like. Mm. You know, it's not good, but it's not bad. I was waiting for like this awful taste to hit my taste buds. And it never came. It's actually it's kind of bland. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you just gave me this and didn't tell me what flavor it was, that I'd be able to guess blueberry muffin. But it definitely kind of has a muffin taste. It's not good. I would never buy this again. But it's not bad. If I was like starving in a desert and this didn't melt, I would eat it. I'll probably finish it off. But yeah, it's kind of odd. Definitely not as good as a regular Kit Kat. Well, what's really good are the orange Kit Kats for Halloween. Those are, oh man, those are next level. These, yeah, I might not even finish them. It's limited edition. Everything is really a limited edition. I mean, nothing is infinite. Um, but yeah, not bad. I give it a not bad.